wellness in Hero Homes, Sector 88, Mohali. And that's what they are known for. In conversation with Jatin Mohan Seth.
Good evening, friends. Today we are at this beautiful site of Hero Homes in Sector 88, Mohali, and I have with me Mr. Gurjeet from Hero Group.
Thank you, Jatinji.
And if we talk about Hero, I don't think we need to tell anybody about this group. It is such a well-known name in India, Hero Group, the Munjal family. Other day I was just reading about the book by Mr. Sunil Kant Munjal, The Making of Hero.
Yeah, he recently finished this book, and he recently launched this book in many cities. And it is about the hero only, the making of hero. The title is Making of Hero, which tells about how hero grows from a small, you can say, a roadside cycle shop to a big industry of $1 billion, which now known worldwide.
Yeah, it's a household name now. If we talk about cycles or we talk about bikes,
Exactly.
I think it's synonymous with Hero.
Jatinji, I don't find like in India anybody who has not used any hero product. Be it even if you talk about me, at my early age I used hero cycles.
My first bike was Hero.
Yeah.
Hero Honda
Exactly.
Sleek.
Exactly.
Yeah, I still remember that. Gurjeet, I can see a lot of green area, a lot of beautiful flowers blooming here. So I must compliment you. You have
Thank you,
maintained
thank
a
you.
very green site.
Thank you. Thank you, Jatinji.
What is the USP of the project?
See,
I think?
Jatinji, I must say that this is what is the mantra of this project. We want to give our customers as good as green area, and I hope so you also appreciate this. Like in today's world, green are the must in everybody's life.
Yes.
Right. So here in this project, we are keeping the best of a size of a green area.
So I must say, because we deal in real estate for a long time now, so 87% area, I think this is the only project which is maintaining that high percentage of green area here.
And
I must say
Jatinji,
that.
it is not only within the complex. If you go and look beyond the complex, there are almost, if you talk about sector 88 and 89, where we are sitting right now, it is somewhere close to 42 acres of green area available apart from Hero's own green area. You don't find monotonous with a single area every time going at the same park and same kind of a people. You have a lot of choice to go out and explore more people and connect very well to the society also. So I would like to even show you around. If you can see here, even next to us.
Let's have a look.
Yeah, please. Aye. So Jatinji, if you look at here, we are walking in the central green area, and this is going to be the first project in Tri-City. We called it a natural green, as it is when we bought this land, must have find these beautiful trees, well grown up trees, which is almost 20-25 years old trees with us.
I think this was one of the unique things of this project, because we were there at the launch.
Ji.
Painstakingly just kept the same look, environment. They didn't uproot the trees and all. Everything was done around this.
And Jatinji, I must add here few things. These all are the fruit trees.
Yeah.
Right. So in today's world, even if you talk about within our families, especially the kids, they are forget about the trees, how they are look like, right? What kind of a tree for you can say guava, and what kind of a trees for the other fruits which are available in our local market. So here you can enjoy your local fruits also within this complex.
colorful entry gate to any township in Mohali. I must say that.
Thank you.
So what is the reason behind all that color?
See, Jatin, like
Full of colors.
Yeah, absolutely right. Our core theme. This is again one of our core theme. Like we designed this project on the basis of color of future. And being a Punjabi, like this project also in Punjab, so we people used to have a more colorful life. So you can enjoy that colorful life with Hero also. Like every day there is a full of antho. There is no black and kind of a film like Eastman colors you are finding it. This is how this theme has been tried.
Gurjeet, you have come up with a new project
Yeah.
right now, and the theme is Life of Wellness.
Absolutely right, Jatin.
So can you just elaborate on that for our viewers?
Jatin ji, as we have already aware, we are already done with our first phase. We called it Color of Future, which we have just shared with you. And definitely this time we are coming up with a new project, same in Sector 88 Mohali. And it is based on a life of wellness. See, in today's world, everybody is very much conscious about the wellness, fitness and all. So this whole project is designed around your wellness, which include a lot of open and green areas. Then, as you can see on your left-hand side, we are already starting the progress of our cycling track. And this area is dedicated areas for the sports zones. And it is not only for like a special age group people. Like here, you can cater with these kind of fitness with all the age groups. We have a special elderly parks with us. We have a special toddlers areas for which designed specially for the early age kids. Right? Then there is a open gyms. Then indoor games, cycling track, your table tennis, squash court, which designed for the all class of all walks of life and all ages of it.
Because India का future यही रहने वाला है.